Hello, today I want to attempt to pick a lock that is actually a challenge lock, which was sent to me by Gerabard from Spain. I have picked it 2 times now, and I have about 20 failed attempts to make a video. And we have it open. Okay, I was struggling really hard because if you can see the key, the pin on number 4, I didn't have to touch it, and I think it has torpedo key pins, so you can see it's picked. Now let's cut it. Okay. I also forgot to mention that the name of the challenge lock is G, and also this is his first challenge lock that he made for the pull belt requirement on the Lockpickers United Discord server and on the Reddit. Let's try not to stab myself this time. Okay, circle off. Let me get my follower. Fuck. Oh, yeah. Here it is. Okay. Oh yeah, it was a torpedo on 4. Just like I expected. Okay. Put my forward upside down, the inside out. No, it's here. Okay. On pin 1 we have tapered. Pin 2. Have a homemade spool, more like a gin bottle. 3 we have another homemade spool. On number 4 we have homemade serrated, and on number 5 we have another spool. Okay, let's dump the springs. Oops. The springs in The other chambers don't wanna come out. Let me try. Okay, so I see a spring on chamber 2, but I'm not sure. Fuck me. Getting disaster. No worries. We'll get them sorted out. The tapered was in first one. And the serrated was on fourth. Gin was on 2. And the 2 spools. Should have used my Sparrow's pinning tray, but it's too late now to worry about this. Really struggling to get these pins. Okay. Okay, so there is a spring on 2. But I can't get it out. Yeah, there's definitely a spring. So I'm going to have to ask the creator of the lock if there is one spring missing. But I think that's it. You can see there is no modding on the chamber. Yeah, it's all stock. I also don't see any modding on the Bible. And this is the pins. One spring missing and one spring is inside. Maybe 2 are inside. Not sure. I'm going to text Gerabard and he will tell me. And that's all. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.